Hi guys, it's Ed here from eBusiness Boss, and today I am coming to you with a bit of a different video from what we usually do. So it's not going to be Amazon related, it's not going to be e-commerce related, but it's going to be savings related. So at the beginning of the year, I decided to give the Skint Dad 1p saving challenge a go. Not for any particular reason, I just thought to myself, how can I save a bit of extra cash? It runs through for the whole year, but basically the idea is, well, you can use the money for anything, but I thought, well, what could I do? Just have a bit of extra cash there, so when my girlfriend says, we need some money for Christmas, we need to buy some presents and going out and drinks and all that sort of stuff, I can say, I've got my 1p skint money, loads of money. What I've done, as you can see, I've religiously filled this out, and the idea is you save 1 penny every day, but you save 1 penny additional to the day before. So on day 1, you save 1p, on day 2, you save 2p, and so on and so forth, until you get to day 365, and you're saving £3.65 a day. So the guys at Skint Dad, they say you can do it backwards, because you're more likely to have more money at the beginning of the year than the end, or if you're like me, just all over the place. We're now in October, the end of October, and another thing that they say you can do is if you've got to a point in the challenge and you've got a bit of extra cash, just cross some days off. So for the last 2 months, I think I needed roughly, let's say, £205. So I put an extra £5 in my pot, and I've got 200 big ones here. So I've completed the challenge, which, to be quite honest with you, when I started in January, I didn't think I'd do. So I'm pretty chuffed with myself. And I've been bugging Nick and Sam to basically see if I could open my pot early, and they were telling me no, I couldn't unless I had all the money. So I thought, well, I'll just get the money out now. Now I can open it, which I'm buzzing for. So we've got the can full of money, we've got the sheet, we've got a little bit of paper so I can write the numbers down on, we've got the 200 big ones, and we've got the Culinaire Magic Can. This isn't an ad, it's just what it's called. So I'm going to crack the pot open now. I hope this works. Oh, here we go. Cutting all sorts of notes up. Or breaking the can opener. Yeah, it is opening. And we're open. The big reveal. I'm no exaggeration here, by the way. I've genuinely been saving this all year. And I started off obviously just with changes. It was 1-2p a day. And as the weeks went by, I'd start putting sort of the week's amount in there, or the month's amount. And like I said, I've just become incredibly impatient now. So I thought, well, I've got the remainder of the money that I need. I've also just been putting random change in here as well. So by the end of the year, you should have £667.95 down the bottom there. But I've been putting random change in here as well, so I'm going to have more than that. So let's tip it out. Whoa. So guys, I'm now going to separate these into the different denominations, so 20s, 10s, 5s, whatever. But before I do that, something that I've always wanted to do. Money, 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 money. But I'm not going to do it with the coins, because I reckon that will hurt. And you probably shouldn't do it either. Make sure I haven't dropped anything. So let's now separate it into the 20s. And you've probably gathered already, but by my accent, but obviously this is English pounds. So 20s, there's a lot more 10s here, so let's just separate the 5s. Let me get that one there. Yeah, cool. So I've got my bit of paper, pen. I'm just going to count it out now and make a note of it. So £20, we've got 100. So in 20s, we've got £160. In 10s. And like I said, guys, I haven't actually stuck to this challenge, so I put more in the challenge. So if you do want to have a little guess, leave a comment below. Don't cheat. I always cheat. When I watch videos like this, I cheat all the time, but don't cheat. So 10s. These are the plastic notes. I'm not going to try and make them all level. I'm just going to count them because they're bent and all over the place. So we know that we've got 200 here that I took out earlier. 29. 200 there, 290 there, For everyone that's good at maths, that's £490. Now, this is going to be the boring bit because I've now got to count these coins. So we're just going to speed the video up a bit. So guys, I've now counted up all the coins. I'm now going to count them out. So you can see how many I've got. So let's not waste any time. I've got a calculator. State of the art this, scientific. We're just going to add it all up. So we had £160 in 20s. We had £490 in 10s. We had £30 in 5s. We had £50 along this back row in 50s, 20s, pounds. We had £9 on the other row, another £1, and then 60p. So that is a grand total of £740 and 62 pence. So that is £72 and 67 pence more than the actual challenge. So like I said, I was following the challenge, but by doing the challenge, it also just got me thinking, well, you know what, if I've got any extra change in my wallet, or it gets to the end of the month and it's payday and I've got an extra £5 here, or just a bit of change, or the extra tenner, just put it in the pot. Put it in the pot, put it in the pot. And then now, around sort of, you know, November, Christmas time, I mean, it's my anniversary of my girlfriend, so there'll be things to buy for that. It's Christmas time, so there'll be presents to buy, there'll be a lot of things to do. So I would have budgeted for it anyway, but now I've got the extra 740 odd quid to go with it. So guys, save your change, put it in a pot, try and last 12 months, or like me, last 10 months, and then just go and take a load of money out of a cash point and do this. It's as easy as that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, leave a comment below if you did enjoy it. It's not the usual sort of thing we do, but what we're trying to do is just show people how to make money, save money, and it's just a bit of fun as well. I mean, it's like there's been quite a good bit of banter in the office between me and the lads. Like I said earlier on, me trying to open it up early, them saying that I couldn't, trying to guess what might be in there, and I mean, I'm happy. I've now managed to amass basically £740 just in time for Christmas. So cheers guys, see you later.